Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. You know why? Because we have a makeup haul. Yes, that is right. I put it in a little basket, but all this stuff I recently have purchased and all on my own, and I wanted to share this with you because why not? Why not share the good? If you want to see this makeup haul, then just keep watching. Okay, so, you know what, should I just put on my, yeah, I'll just put on my, okay, yeah, maybe not, I'll just put on my, I just did a video on these, so if you haven't seen it yet, I will link it in the description box below, but these are by Chaos Makeup, and they are eye pigments, and they're multi-chrome, so they change like 2 to 4, 5 different shades. I've got 6 here. I only got 6. I didn't get all 7, but there are 7. They do have pressed eyeshadows for those. So, if you want to know more about it, I will link that video down below. Next, we have 2 palettes. I love this brand. They have such good quality eyeshadows. I've mentioned them before in another makeup haul that I did last year. And I have a lot of their palettes. I think I'm only missing like 2 now. They're that good. And it's Juvia's Place. I have the Warrior palette and I have the Tribe palette. So this one is obviously more like warm tone. You got a cool tone like brown up here, but like all warm. You got these awesome like metallic shades here. You got all like holy, these are pigmented. This one is great for just like a brown eye, brown smoky eye, you know, easy stuff. Sorry, just getting away. Any like just everyday makeup, it's really good. This is the Tribe palette, and it has more like greens and this gold or bronze and gold. This blue. It is so stunning. Got some oranges, you know, like this light yellow green. And then they got this like green here, this orange. So creamy to the touch. And their metallic shades are just amazing. So I can't wait to dive into this. This is awesome. So I have had this for a while, and I heard Jaclyn Hill talk about it in a few of her videos from last year, I believe. And I just started using this because I was a little afraid because I'm like, how am I going to use this? I don't want to look too shiny, but I kind of figured it out, I think. This is the Lancome Absolute Powder, and it's in the shade Absolute, I think it's Petch or Pesh, one of those. It's just like a shimmery type powder that can make you look more glowy and dewy. You can use it over your, you can mix it with your powder, use it over your powder, just, you know, with a big brush. I use, where is that brush? Oh, right behind me. I use this big brush to apply it, and it's the Morphe E41. And I just put a little bit in here and tap it, but then I also tap on my hand and then go in because I don't want to have this big, you know, big area of powder and then just put it right on my face. It's going to look funny. So this way it's evenly dispersed, and I just kind of go all over my face. After I've done the powder, I haven't really mixed it with my powder yet, but I've just done that to kind of give me a nice overall glow.
And welcome to Mommy's video channel.
Next, I got some more shadows from JD Glow Cosmetics. They are so awesome. I love their Galaxy shadows, and they're just so sparkly, and their pan size is pretty big. It's not like a standard pan, and they're only $7.50. It's like a steal, I think. They are right here. Here's a few. I have 3 in another one because they didn't fit. But this one is Unexpected, Fairy Acid, I kind of memorized them, Watermark, Good God, 365, aka, this one's a new one, Star Luster, and this is their Metallon, and it's white gold. So this is like foil, beyond foil, metallic shadow. I've never used their Metallon shadows until I got that one, and I'm like, girl, where have I been? What? Have I been living under a rock? I mean, apparently. And then I have this pretty purple. This is Plum. Then I have this great copper orange, and it's in the shade Bestie. Oh yeah. This one is Sin. It's like a pinkish thing. I'm gonna swatch just a few just so you can be like, oh, what? You know? Like, girl. I wore this one. It's on my Instagram, the Watermark one. I wore that a few pictures ago, I think. So I'll leave my Instagram below, linked below, if you want to go check it out. This one is Watermark. I love this one. Oh my gosh. Sorry, the sun. Like, holy crap. Then this one is Unexpected. OMG. And this is that Metallon one. White gold. This one. Oh, can you? Holy. I want to say holy ball. It's like my thing. Holy balls. But yeah, let's do one more. Let's do 365. It looks so weird holding it up. Right here. That's 365. But can you? Like, that's Unexpected. That's Watermark. Look at that Metallon shade. Wow. I still can't get over it. And then this is 365. Like, please make more. I will buy all of them. They're just beyond fantastic. So this one I got. It's the iconic London Prep Set Glow. And it's just in the original shade. But this, look, first of all, when you shake it, oh, that's mesmerizing, right? I could just shake it and then look. It is so pretty. But it will, when you let it sit, it'll settle down. So when you use it, you have to shake it and then make it like that. And then you just all over your face. You can use it before your makeup, after you have powder. It really makes you glow and dewy. This is probably one of my favorite sprays right now. And I've used it maybe twice already, but I can tell you I already love it, and I'm going to use it more. Hello. I'm going to be using it more often. Also got these pigment drops. They're from Peaches Makeup. They are in the UK, I believe, and they are an indie brand as well. I have a lot of their eye pigments and everything. I have a lot of those. They're really, really good. This one they just came out with, and it's like you can put it in a pigment, mix it up, and you can use it as a liner, you know, a very metallic or foiled type of shadow. When I do try it more, I will let you know. But I was like, I gotta try this because that looks so cool. You can use a drop of this, some of the pigment, and use it as a liner or like all over to make it like really foiled and bam in your face. Like I could probably, I haven't tried it yet, but I could probably use one of these multi-chrome pigments, put a little drop, and just right on there. So many ideas. To be more dewy, because I just love to just glow. I did finally get the Marc Jacobs Dew You drops. And this is good. Let me wipe this off. I use this a lot underneath my makeup. I haven't mixed it within my foundation yet, but I just want to see. And it's really, and you can all, I'm talking, I can't even finish the sentence. You can use it under your foundation or with your foundation, or you can just use it as a highlighter, whatever you prefer. It is just, it's really, really good. It's like a gel type. I mean, shine. I won't do it in the sun. It's too bright. Okay. But yeah. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm trying to get this done before the sun actually gets on my face and I can't film, but it is very, very nice. It dries down really good. I like it. And then I got the NARS Super Radiant Booster. Now, I use this today underneath my foundation. Girl. Let me tell you, I looked so freaking glowy and dewy. I was like, do I even need foundation? I mean, obviously I'm gonna put foundation, but this would look probably really good if you probably mix it in with your moisturizer or something and just put it on during, you know, the summer or whatever to just kind of bring out the glow. It's really, really nice. And I like the way it felt after I put it on. It dried down really nice. Didn't feel like there was stuff sitting on your face before your foundation. So I really, really like it. And I'm going to keep using it. It was worth it. I love you. So last but not least, I had to get this baby right here. So I'm into really glossy lips lately, not just kind of flat matte lipsticks. I want to have a little bit of juicy lips up in here. So I found these at ColourPop. They're called the So Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss, and this is the clear one. It's in the shade Princess Cut. Now they have different colors and everything. I just got this one, so that way I can put it on by itself or over any kind of lipstick that I wanted, and it is good. It also has a really, really nice like peppermint. It doesn't tingle, but it feels cooling is what I can, I guess, kind of say. It's very cooling when you put it on, and it's not bothersome or anything. I love it. It's just really, really nice. I don't know if it really plumped up my lips. I mean, I'd have to keep testing it out, but I love how it feels on there. It doesn't feel all gloopy and you know how you get those strings in your mouth? It's not like that, but it's really nice. I may try to get it in another color, but this is really, really, really nice. Can I say really, 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 really anymore? I don't know. I probably said it too many times in this video. But this concludes my makeup haul. So I will link everything that I talked about in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup haul. I had a fun time telling you all about the awesome, cool new makeup because makeup is my passion. I just love it. I don't know, there's something about when you get a new makeup product and you're just like, oh my god. Like you're all like, yay! Like new makeup products! Is that just me? So I will link my Instagram below. Please subscribe and like and share. If there's anything you guys want to see from the products like that you want me to use in a future video, I can. Just let me know in the comments. I can do that for you. Anything else you want to see? Any makeup, eye makeup looks, or foundation, or anything like that, just let me know and I will do it for you. Remember, you are awesome. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I will link it in the It's really not that messy. I mean, you could just put powder underneath your eyes if you haven't done your makeup first. Or if you have done your makeup first, right? If you have done your makeup first, okay. Remember, be awesome. No. So I will link my Instagram below. Ugh. But I just done it before my foundation, and it's just like this pump. This pump? Yeah, it's just like this pump. No, it's just like this. I don't even know where I was going with that. Okay, I'm losing my brain.